Interesting.
That black yo magic, that black yo magic, that black yo magic, magic, black yo magic, that black yo magic.
Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Samaya and I'm back again with another video. So in today's video, I'm going to be revamping my natural hair mask and seeing if it'll help my natural 4C hair grow even longer. So usually what I do is I mix my Bentonite clay with rice water, but in today's video, we're going to be trying out black rice water. Now supposedly it's supposed to be better, more organic, and all these other things because it actually comes from an old Chinese empire and it was off limits to most of the general population, but now it has become more mass produced and marketed to people around the world. Now you can find it at Whole Foods, I've heard, but I ordered mine specifically off of Amazon, and I'll put the link for this black rice if you would like to try it as well down below. Now I'm going to be mixing these two things because I've seen YouTubers using black rice water as a rinse or just, you know, using it raw, but today I'm going to be mixing it together with my natural hair mask, and I'm going to see, does it do what it says it's supposed to do? Does it help your natural hair growth? And just overall, does it change anything with my natural hair? So if you would like to see if it actually works and if it could be beneficial to you, stay tuned for the rest of the video.
So the first thing that you're going to want to grab is a mason jar, the black rice, and you're just going to put a couple scoops in there. I wasn't actually measuring, and then I'm going to clean the rice a little bit from any pesticides or anything that might be on the rice, just because I don't want those kinds of chemicals in my hair. But then I just add some water and then I close the jar, and I'm going to let that ferment for about a day or as long as you like.
So now my rice water is all completed, and to you guys it looks kind of black, but it's like a red kind of like grape juice kind of color, but I don't think you should drink it because it probably does not taste pleasant at all. But yeah, so all I'm gonna do is I'm going to do my regular wash day routine, so I will be back once I've gotten through that and I'm ready to mix together the mask. Okay guys, I'm back. My hair is fully washed, detangled, and separated into these different braids, and I know I look a little crazy, but it's a wash day and this is what we're about to do. So got this rice water. It's been chilling for a cool minute, so hold up, let me open this. Let's see how this smelling, cause I don't know. Don't smell too bad. Like, you can see my face. I was like low-key nervous when I opened it. And so let's go into the kitchen, mix it up into this mask, and let's see what happens.
Okay, so what you're going to need is the bentonite clay, apple cider vinegar, and the black rice water that you just made. In some sort of container, you want to mix together the ingredients, and you want to add in the black rice water and the apple cider vinegar slowly because they react to the clay differently, and you want to be able to get a nice thick creamy paste, and it's going to look something like this.
Okay, so the camera shut off when I was doing the first braid, so all I'm doing is just taking down these braids after I put it in a ponytail and whatnot, and I'm applying the mask, but yeah. So my hair is about this length, which is about to a little bit past my bra strap, going a little past armpit length as well. My hair is still pretty long, but at the same time it's not as long as it used to be, nor is it exactly in the right place that I want it. But the main thing that I'm focused on is just trying to like basically restart my natural hair journey, as you know, I'm trying to get my hair back to the like super healthy state. Like, my hair is fairly healthy, but there's like a couple sections of my hair that are a little damaged, and so as well as noticing that you guys really like my hair videos, specifically like my natural hair or just weave in general, and I'm trying not to make a mess, but I low-key just like splash some everywhere else, and it's on my bed, which is very perfect. So I'm just trying to focus on those things, so stay tuned for like more videos on natural hair care and just tips for dealing with 4C natural hair because it can be a hassle. It doesn't have to be as hard as some YouTubers do make it. And even like myself, like I used to go really hard for my hair care routine, but especially when I went to school, I just really did not have the time to be dealing with any of this crap. But since I'm going to be redoing my hair, I just took my hair and put it into twists, which my hair is pretty short because it's shrunk, but usually it's pretty stretched out when I initially twist it. But I like to just spray a little bit of water just to make sure my hair is very hydrated. But for the sake of this video, I'm just going to speed through most of it. So I will be back whenever I decide to come back. I don't know.
When I tell you guys, this is literally so messy. Look at my freaking legs.
So now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take the last of this rice water and I'm going to rinse my hair with it and just make sure everything is out of my hair. So yeah.
This is probably going to be, Jesus, I almost slipped. Okay.
So I guess I'm just going to pour this right over my head. Hopefully this doesn't dye my, oh Jesus Christ, that's cold. Interesting. Well, that's that. Okay guys, so this is what my hair looks like now that it's wet and I've washed everything out. My hair is definitely a looser texture when I wash my hair because when my hair is dry, it's like a lot frizzier, tighter, kinkier. And then when I wash it, it's a lot looser just because like the bentonite clay and oils are usually weighing my hair down, so it looks like a lot clumpier, like more like a 3A, 3B kind of texture. But I will see you guys again when my twist out or braid out. I'm not sure which one I'm going to do, but I'll see you guys in the morning when I'm ready with that.
Hi guys, I'm just going to check in real fast before I have to go off to work, but I somehow lost the footage that I had for this video on how my hair turned out after the braid out, and I don't know exactly what happened, but I just want to say really fast that I didn't notice too many differences after using the black rice water. One thing I did notice is that my hair was a little bit softer, but I think I won't be able to know for sure if it's actually effective until in a couple weeks when I check back in with how this mask did. But I also went ahead today and I used some of the leftover mask and I used that as a face mask. And my hair is a lot softer, it feels clean and moisturized, so that might be something else you guys want to try out. So thank you guys so much for watching my video, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.
Oh, trying to grab a bit. That black yo magic. That black yo magic. That black yo magic. That black yo magic.